Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the bump knob on your string trimmer, depress the two retaining tabs to release the lower trimmer head housing. Lift the spool out of the housing and you can detach the old bump knob. Install the new bump knob by positioning it on the bottom of the spool. Feed the trimmer line through the eyelets as you reposition the spool and knob in the lower housing. Realign the lower housing assembly on the upper housing and spring, then snap it into place.